Top 6 Best Gas Grills 2022 for Outdoor Cooking. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be about the top 6 of the best gas grills available in 2022. So without any further ado, let's get started. At first we have the Weber Genesis 2 E-335. This 2022 Genesis is the biggest grilling innovation in decades that's designed to create the ultimate culinary experience in your backyard. It has a GS4 high-performance grilling system that comprises 3 main burners at 39,000 BTU per hour, a side burner at 12,000 BTU, and a sear station burner at 9,000 BTU. You will get a grilling area of 669 square inches in total between a 156-inch warming rack area and a 513-inch primary cooking area. And this makes it matches the Weber Genesis 310, and it can also easily house up to 25 burgers for your family and friends. Now coming to its grease management, its new and improved grease management system will allow you to simply pull the grease tray out and scrape it away. And finally, for the build quality, Weber Spirit 2 has always been top-notch, and this Genesis 2 is no different. It used a high-quality stainless steel build throughout the grill to ensure durability and its survival against the elements. Next is Ziggy Grills USZG1GRK. This Ziggy portable gas grill boasts a powerful burner and innovative design, making it the ultimate barbecue grill for every outdoor occasion. Its lightweight and compact design will make grilling easy to take anywhere from an inner city balcony to picnic lunches, beach trips, camping, RVing, and more. It is constructed from cast iron with a corrosion-resistant matte vitreous enamel finish. And when it comes to its surface, you will get up to 260 square inches of cooking surface, which is plenty enough to accommodate any small to mid-sized meals or to fit up to 8 quarter-pound burger patties. Now for its high dome rollback hood. It can provide you with more clearance and better heat circulation for better consistent cooking and roasting, so you can cook with the hood open or partially open for a lower temperature cook. And finally, for the grease management, it offers a grease trap that screws tightly in place to avoid leaking and is easy to remove when it's time to clean. This can also be loosened while cooking to keep the hood partially open to reduce heat. Next up, we have the Char-Broil. This Char-Broil's 240 liquid propane gas grill is an affordable alternative that sacrifices power for portability. It has one 9,500 BTU burner and 240 square inches of cooking space, providing room for about 6 to 8 burgers. And design-wise, it features a painted porcelain body with carrying handles to transport easily. Its temperature gauge is mounted to the lid for easy monitoring. And for the piezo ignition, it starts the burner with a push of a button. Its sturdy legs will allow the grill to sit directly on a table or the ground. And when it comes to its fuel source, it works well with 1-pound propane tanks, which can be connected directly to the side of the grill. Next is Cuisinart CGG-740. This 4-burner gas grill is made only for those who take grilling seriously. It has 443 square inches of cooking space and a warming rack with an additional 167 square inches for a total of 610 square inches. Its warming rack is one of the greatest features of this grill. It helps manage timing by keeping cooked foods warm while others finish cooking. You can keep your grilled vegetables warm, or can place hamburger and hot dog buns, focaccia, or pieces of bread so that they absorb the delicious smoky flavors of the grill as they toast. And for control, it gives you maximum control over the heat. You can keep the temperature in one area warm and another sizzling hot. It is made from stainless steel because an outdoor grill needs to be able to weather the elements without rusting. Its cover, fascia, control knobs, and burners are all made of stainless steel, while the steel cart is again finished with enamel paint, making it easy to maintain. Its other features include twist start ignition, a heavy-duty cart with wheels, 2 side prep tables, a built-in thermometer, and a built-in bottle opener. Next is American Gourmet 463-773-717. This is a 3-burner gas grill that delivers 30,000 BTUs of heat across the 360 square inch cooking surface. Its cooking surface measures 26 inches wide by 14 inches deep and comes with porcelain-coated grates, which help prevent food from sticking and are easy to clean. And on the inside, you will find 3 stainless steel inline burners that are durable and deliver strong cooking performance. Its swing-away warming racks are a secondary cooking area that you can use for sides or toasting buns. And for the piezo ignition system, it provides fast and reliable burner startups with the push of a button. Lastly, we have the Cuisinart CGG-888. This 22-inch 2-burner grill is superior for cooking restaurant-quality food at home. Its 360-degree griddle cooking center will amaze any audience. Its 2-burner controls will help you manage 30,000 BTUs so that you can create cooking zones with temperatures ranging from 200 degrees to 550 degrees. And featuring a stainless steel vented lid, you can have the flexibility to steam, roast, or smoke foods and keep them warm even after the cooking is finished. Also with this, Cuisinart has added a handy fold-away side prep table with an integrated paper towel holder, making it easy to keep the prep area clean. And finally, for the grease management, its grease pan surrounds the perimeter of the grill, so all the oil and debris can be scraped away in any direction to drain into the removable grease cup. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.